Hey everyone, my name is Jake Sloan and I make videos here on YouTube all about how you can use your phone to create great videos, and I do a lot of videos about drones too because it's an incredible, amazing technology, filmmaking tools like this that you can carry with you and create great video. And today I want to talk about the Mavic Pro 2. I don't have it yet. I've ordered one and it's on its way, but it's not here yet. So this is a preview video. If you want to check it out for yourself, you can click the link in the description. It's an affiliate link, so if you decide to buy one, it will give me a small commission and help support content like this. But I'm really excited about this drone because not only did the Mavic Pro, the original, really transform the world of drones, taking what was originally kind of a big bulky package into a small compact foldable package that you could carry with you. But then they came out with the Mavic Air, which is even smaller and more portable, and it had shortcomings, but they improved a lot of things. Some of the quick shot modes were actually really useful. A lot of the APAS, the obstacle avoidance when in tracking, was really great, and it was exciting. Plus it had rear obstacle avoidance, so it was a little bit less. But the image quality, well, on this is not bad. The image quality in the original Mavic Pro wasn't terrible. It wasn't the best. And that's why I'm really excited about the Mavic Pro 2 is it has the image quality essentially of this. They put a 1-inch Hasselblad camera in that thing with an actual mechanical aperture. Oh my gosh, it's great. And it's still, I mean, it's slightly bigger and a little bit heavier, but not much. Still very portable. In a small portable drone, they essentially took this thing, the Phantom 4 Pro, and packed it into the Mavic Pro. Plus, it has a topside obstacle sensor so that you won't run into things. Like, how many videos have we seen of people flying their Mavic Pro under a bridge and then it loses GPS or loses remote control signal and goes up and hits the top of the bridge and falls into the water? There's a lot of videos out there like that, or flies up into tree branches. That is amazing that they've changed that. The other thing that's incredible about this drone is it has an 8-kilometer, 5-mile range, and they did OcuSync 2.0, which gives you full HD 1080p image transmission for a great distance, way further than you can see. I don't know why you would even ever possibly go 5 miles. It's way further than you could see a drone, but it's good to know that the image transmission is that solid and that tight that you can go that far and still have a great image transmission. The other thing that they've done is, of course, they improved the color with the Hasselblad camera. They've improved the flight time up to 31 minutes, which is longer than any other DJI drone on the market right now, I believe. They've improved the quick shots. As you've seen in some of my videos, I've used this drone to create dolly zooms, and I'll link that video here, which is great. But now that it's there and it's part of one of the quick shots is amazing. And I'm really excited to try the hyperlapse. You've seen where I've reviewed drones before, where I've gone out to the face of a glacier on a frozen lake, or I've walked into the wilderness of Alaska, or snow machine in the wilderness of Alaska and used the drone there. And I'm really excited to put this drone through its paces here in Alaska over the next couple of weeks as soon as it arrives on my doorstep. I'll be doing a full review. I'll be doing a video of comparing the image quality, comparing the image quality of this and this directly with the Mavic Pro 2. The cool thing is you can buy it today and it ships today, which is what I did. I ordered it today. And the price point, it's the same price as what this is, or actually a little bit less, and it has all of the technology and more that has built into it for the Mavic Pro 2. For the Mavic Zoom, I think it's a couple $100 less, so it's like $1,250 or something. The Mavic Pro 2 is $1,400, and again, I've got the link in the description so you can go check it out yourself. It really is an incredible drone. I didn't think that DJI would be able to launch a product that would do the same or similar thing that the Mavic Pro did when they launched that, but it looks like they have, and I'm really excited to try it. So if you haven't already, hit subscribe so that you can catch the videos that as soon as I get that drone, I'll be releasing. And let me know in the comments below what you think of the announcement that DJI made today. I really would like to hear back from you, especially what you think of the new drone and what the new capabilities are, and if you're going to buy it or not. Let me know if you're going to buy it or not in the description. If you want to see me try something specific or do something specific, then let me know in the comments below and I will do my best to do a video about that. As always, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I will be seeing you again very soon in the next video.